What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $2.50 every 30 seconds. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, it really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions or concerns about this method. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I don't want you to miss out on any other steps you need to take to make this money. So without further ado, let me hop over here to the site and show you how you can make this money right now. Okay guys, I'm at this website, and the name of the website is uploadship.com. So on this website, what you're going to be doing is uploading files, and those files are going to get shared, and you're going to make money from that. So people come here to make money from just uploading files. And you can make some good money doing this, guys. So once you come here, you're going to click on make money. Okay, it's going to take you to this page here. So earn bags of money with upload ship up to unlimited money per day. So all you're going to be doing, like I said before, is uploading the files. Then somebody's going to download those files and you're going to earn some money. And for every 1,000 downloads, so if somebody downloads your file 1,000 times, you're going to get paid $10. So for each 1,000 downloads, you get paid $10. The other thing is there's no limitation on the profit you can make with them. So you can make, $10, $20, $30, $100, $200 or more, as long as you get those downloads. Now, you're probably saying, what files can I upload here and make some money from it? Well, I'm going to show you that in a minute, because I'm going to go to a site where you can get files absolutely free that will sell. Now, one other thing, guys, make sure you have a PayPal account, because that's how you get paid from this site. Now, before I go to the site that you can get some free files, I want to show you some payment proof. So I'm going to click up here where it says proof of payments. Okay, I'm at the next page, proof of payments. And look at here, total paid out is $57,780.55. So that's some nice money there that has been paid out. So here's the payment proof right here. As of today, guys, this guy right here, now he paid out through Bitcoin. So if you have Bitcoin, you can also, if you have a Bitcoin account, which is through Coinbase, you can also get paid in Bitcoin. So this person has cashed out through Bitcoin. He got $100.29. This one, PayPal, $8.39. And look at this. This person right here, $577.95. So look at that. here's another big one, $658.20. So he got paid out through PayPal. So guys, you can make some good money doing this. Now, let me take you to the website where you can get free files that will sell like hotcakes. So let me go ahead and go over there right now. Okay, I'm at the next website, and the name of this website is Free PLR Downloads. So when you go here, not that many people know about this website, but when you go here, you can download files for free and resell those files. And that's what you're going to do. You're going to download these free files and resell them on uploadship.com. So this is the category I want you guys to look up once you come here. You're going to look up health. So we're going to go ahead and click on health. And it's going to take you to the files right here. So you just scroll through here and look for a good one. Maybe look for like weight loss, like this one right here, health and weight loss. So I'm going to click on there. And it's going to take you here. As you can see, you can download this. And once you download it, you're going to go back to upload ship, and you'll be able to upload it here. And when somebody downloads that, as a matter of fact, when 1,000 downloads you're going to get $10. So that's it, guys. That's the method. Just straightforward and very easy to do. You're going to make passive income without doing any work at all. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I'll make videos like this every other day. Okay, Grind family, thanks again for watching another one of my videos. Thank you for your support. And please look out for that code word that popped up in this video, guys, so you can get a chance to win some free money. All you have to do is just type it down in the comments below, and you'll get a chance to win this free money once I hit 5,000 subscribers. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks again for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Let's go there. Let's get it. Road to 5,000. Let's get it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace and have a blessed day.